everyone. We're going to find the unknown coordinates of the points in the figure. So for this one, I know that the triangles are similar. I mean, not similar, they're congruent. So I know that if you plot this and draw up and just look at this triangle here, we know that for B, the x is negative h, and your y goes straight here, that's k. So that would be like if I said this was 0, 3, and this was negative 2, 0, something like that. So this point here would be negative 2, 3. So that's all we're doing with that. Now for this one, it says PT is congruent to SR. So that means these two are the midpoints here. These are midpoints. It also says that these two lines are congruent and these two lines are the congruent. So we're just going to use the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is you take your x's, divide by 2, and your y's, and divide by 2. So to find this point, I'm just going to take the midpoint of P and Q. So PQ, the midpoint. Let me just write it different. I'm going to take the midpoint of PQ. All right, so I'm just going to add my x's. So that's 0 plus h, which is 0 plus h divided by 2, and 0 plus k divided by 2. And that gives us h over 2 and k divided by 2. Now I'm going to do the same thing for, I don't like how I wrote this, so make sure it's capital PQ. Now the midpoint of QR is the same thing. So we'll just add our x's and our y's. And that gives us 3h divided by 2 and k divided by 2. And that is it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.